So on a day that Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee arrives in Delhi today evening to push forward her agenda for opposition unity, it's Tripura that's in centre stage. Mamata Banerjee lands in Delhi this evening, may meet the Prime Minister during her visit to discuss central funds for the state and the issue of expansion of the BSF's zone of control. Tripura could also feature in those talks. She will leave for Kolkata on the 25th. In Delhi, meanwhile, all eyes on whether she will meet Sonia Gandhi after some heartburn between the two parties. Well, let's go across to Monideepa for more. So, Moni, today really the Trinamool Congress rather in focus with the MPs arriving here, set to sit on a dharna if they don't get to meet Amit Shah. Also, the Bengal Chief Minister arriving in Delhi.
That's right. 24 hours before Mamata Banerjee was to land in New Delhi, and she's arriving here around 5 p.m. I believe. 24 hours before that, turmoil in Tripura, dramatic situations evolving yesterday with Shayani Ghosh, the youth leader of the Trinamool Congress, being arrested rather dramatically for a charge of attempt to murder. I mean, certainly what we are hearing is that she only sort of shouted some slogans as she was passing by the Tripura Chief Minister's rally in Agartala on Saturday. She shouted some slogans, and for that she has been charged with attempt to murder. That's what the Trinamool is claiming. Outrageous, they say, and therefore the dharna in Delhi today. At least 13 MPs have already flown into the capital. More are expected through the day, and they are all waiting to meet Mr. Amit Shah. They pointed out to me that yes, indeed, law and order is a state subject, but the Supreme Court has already intervened and said the opposition must be allowed to function in Tripura, and that, they say, is being freely violated, which is why they want the Home Minister to intervene. So the MPs are apparently waiting for an appointment with the Home Minister. They are hoping to hear from the Home Minister's office by 11 this morning. Between 9 and 11 is what has been promised, the confirmation of an appointment. If there is no confirmation, then the Trinamool Congress MPs will sit on dharna. The big question is where. Sources within the party are telling us that they may as well sit on dharna at the North Block, where they want to go and meet Mr. Amit Shah. So we can expect much drama through the day, and 5 o'clock, Mamata Banerjee arrives. Mamata Banerjee's agenda has been, ever since she won the West Bengal elections with a thumping majority in May, her agenda, as she has spelled out, has been forging opposition unity ahead of 2024. She even met Sonia Gandhi last time, remember? But since then, relations between the two parties have gone a bit downhill, with several Congress leaders joining the Trinamool Congress in Uttar Pradesh, going to the polls next year, as well as Goa, set for elections next year. And that has certainly complicated the relationship. We'll have to see how that, progresses during her current visit.
And Moni, there are rumours as well, or some speculation that perhaps Varun Gandhi could also meet Mamata Banerjee. We do know that the BJP MP from Uttar Pradesh has been, tweeting and putting out statements that are not in line with his party.
That's right, and that has been his relationship with his own party for some time now. It's not new, but yes, indeed, Mamata Banerjee's visit to Delhi preceded by a huge buzz that Varun Gandhi may meet Mamata Banerjee. There are even those who are willing to pull that and stretch that forward and say Varun Gandhi may as well join the Trinamool Congress. After all, he needs a platform. He is not going to find a platform in the Congress itself. So where does he go? Trinamool, some are analyzing maybe the perfect choice, and who knows, a meeting is likely, and after that no one is quite sure in which direction that might go. For Mamata Banerjee, it's a win-win. Certainly a UP leader, national figure as it were, joining her party, but what that'll mean for Trinamool's relationship with the Congress, of course, is a huge twist in the plot. So we can expect lots of interesting developments when Mamata Banerjee is in town.